Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing a Razor Tour Pack on my 2022 Road Glide Special. So after doing some research, I have decided to go with a Razor Tour Pack for several reasons. I don't do a lot of touring, but I would like to have some extra storage space sometimes, so that's one of the reasons. Second reason is I wanted something slim and sleek to kind of flow with the bike. So let's quickly take a look at the pack and what else I got to be installed together with it. Alright guys, so here is the Tour Pack in matte black to match my bike. Now, obviously my bike is a denim black and this is a matte black, but the difference is practically non-existent. There's just maybe just a little bit more gloss to the paint on my bike versus this one. But again, like I said, it's minimal. Now, also, to add some context to this, this is a tour pack that I purchased from Amazon by the company, I believe it's TMTC or something along those lines. And I'll leave the link in the description of the video. But based on the reviews that I read, and again, based on what I see so far, the quality is pretty good for the price that I paid for it. All right, this is a mounting rack that comes with it. Again, based on the price, this is a pretty good quality. I mean, the chrome may have some scuffs here and there, but overall, I think it's pretty good. Now, once I mount it, and we'll see how the fit is, but the finish is actually not bad at all. What I also purchased is this reinforcement plate that goes inside of the tour pack. I didn't have to, but I figured, you know, for a few extra dollars, it'll give me a little bit more peace of mind to put on the bottom of it and have it secure and more sturdy. And lastly, what I have decided to do is to get these lockable latches. So these are obviously the standard latches that are on the mounting plate. But I wanted to have the lockable ones in case if I, go places and I just want to, leave the bike and not worry about somebody just coming up and removing it. I decided to go with lockable ones. All right, so let's go ahead and do everything step by step. I'm going to test fit the rack first, make sure that sits good. Then I'm going to install the latches on the rack and get it back on the bike. And then lastly, I'm going to have to drill 4 holes in the tour pack, set up the mounting plate, I should say the base plate, and get everything tightened up. All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right. Fits really well. Let me show you closer. All right, guys. So here's the fitment. Fit like a glove, honestly. All right, this is what it looks like from the top. Nice and centered. All right. And obviously there's spots here if I wanted to do a backrest or anything else. Then there's a spot for that as well. All right, so I'm going to take this off now and get the lockable latches mounted. Alright guys, so these are the lockable latches installed on the rack. Both sides are lockable, as you can see right here. Okay. They do come with instructions as far as what goes where. There are a bunch of washers and the spring washers that go on the inside, and they show you exactly what the order of each one of those is. But you do get to reuse this piece. Well, and that's it. So let's go ahead and mount. But before I do, let me just quickly show you. As far as the lock goes, it's pretty simple. Just push it in. Now it's locked. Put the key back in. Oops. Just rotate it, pull it out, and pops right out. So now it's unlocked. All right. All right, guys. Again, just to show it on the bike, this is unlocked. This is locked. Again, key goes in. Rotate. It's like a quarter turn, basically, not even a half a turn, and the lock pops out. Now it's removable. Rotate it and come off. Sorry for the noise. I have a guy that's cutting the grass outside, so it's gonna get. Hopefully, the noise is not terrible. But all right, let's go ahead and open this. The keys for the lock. You get 2 of them. You get a little rubber mat that goes on top. Let's get that thing out of the way. So let me get the camera closer so you can see this. But all right, so the holes that still need to be drilled, they already marked, so they make it life substantially easier. There's the markings. All right, so I'm going to measure the base plate, make sure all the holes line up properly, and drill those out. So the holes line up perfectly. Let's go ahead and drill out those holes. Alright guys, the tour pack's installed. Let me remove the rubber mat for a quick second. Again, this is base plate. Comes with 4 bolts, 4 washers and 4 nuts. The washers go obviously on the bottom. That's it. The fitment's pretty good. What I may do is, because this floor mat, whatever you want to call this, rubber mat, doesn't stay in place, I may get either like a double-sided tape or a double-sided Velcro to keep it in place. Or if I find a decent solution with like a felt lining or any sort of embroidered lining, that I may do that. But for now, this will do just fine. This retractable line works pretty well. The lock works well, nice and sturdy. Same thing, the hinges on the other side are pretty nice and sturdy. The chrome looks pretty good on them. So yeah, also as far as the color between the tour pack and the bike itself, it looks pretty damn close. Like I said, the only slight difference is this one has a little bit of shine to it, just a tiny bit, versus the matte black one. But I think once I put a little bit of a protectant on it, it'll probably bring out that shine to match it with the bike. So yeah, so far it looks pretty good. Let's see how it does, you know, a few hundred miles or so, and I'll report back and you know, by the end of summer or something along those lines. All right. Couple of quick notes. One of the things that I right away was kind of worried about a little bit, but just wanted to make sure the saddlebag opens up, no issues, no contact or rubbing. There's about an inch between the tour pack and a saddlebag. Another quick note, and hopefully you can see this. This is the stock antenna that I cut down, and it's about half an inch away from the tour pack itself. So yeah, no rubbing, perfect fit. Alright guys, so that was a quick and a fairly easy install of a Razor Tour Pack on my 2022 Road Glide Special. For anyone that's interested, I'm going to leave the links to all the parts that I installed here today. As always, if this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.